guys, welcome to Physics Hub. Today in this video we will be talking about some courses. Especially I will be talking about the electromagnetic course. So electromagnetic theory is a crucial portion of your CSIR NET physical science syllabus, and approximately on an average around 35 to 40 marks you can expect from this electromagnetic theory portion. Electromagnetic theory is the most weighted subject for your CSIR NET exam. Another thing is there, it is like difficult to solve all the problems from electromagnetic theory in your CSIR NET exam, but you must solve at least 50% problem in the CSIR NET exam, otherwise it will be very difficult to cope up with the question paper. That is why electromagnetic theory you cannot ignore, and in future also after cracking the CSIR NET JRF exam, this electromagnetic theory will be very much necessary. Whether you go for PhD interviews or job interviews or any other places you go, this electromagnetic theory will be very necessary to you. And keeping these things in mind, I have launched a practice course on electromagnetic theory, and as you know, your CSIR NET exam is announced. It will be conducted on January 29, 2022, and approximately 2 months are left for that particular exam, less than 2 months I can say. So for that purpose, a rapid revision course has been launched. This course will be taken by two educators, Om sir and me. I'll be taking 4 courses including this electromagnetic theory. This electromagnetic theory course has been started from the last day, so you can enroll for this course and you can revise this course. And guys, a special offer has been floated today. What is that? Because Unacademy is completing its 6th anniversary today, Unacademy is giving a very special mega offer. According to this offer, if you take a plus subscription of 1 year or more, so if you take 1 year subscription, you will get 6 months subscription free. This is a one-time offer. This is valid only for today, 10th of December. So take 1 year Unacademy Plus subscription and will get 1.5 years Unacademy Plus subscription. You will not get this offer on any other day. So this is the day. If you are planning to take Unacademy Plus subscription in upcoming months, you should take it today, because after this day this offer will expire. And on the next year, means 2022, there will be three NET exams as per the official CSIR tweet. So one exam will be conducted on January 29 and another 2 exam maybe in June and in December. So if you take that subscription of 1 year, then you can easily cover that 1.5 years subscription. So this will be very beneficial to you. Now let me give more focus to this course which has started recently, electromagnetic theory course. Now electromagnetic theory, as far the CSIR NET physical science syllabus is concerned, the subjects are divided into 2 categories. One is core part, another one is advanced part. Generally 3.5 marks questions are set from core part, but you can expect 5 marks questions as well. From the advanced part, mainly 5 marks questions are set. So you see the syllabus of electromagnetic theory, it starts with electrostatic. Under electrostatic, few things have been mentioned in the syllabus, but there are a lot of more additional things other than whatever it mentioned in the syllabus, like Gauss law in application, Laplace and Poisson's equation, boundary value problems. It's just these things given in the syllabus, but there are a lot of more things you have to study. Then magnetostatic starts with Biot-Savart law, Ampere's theorem, electromagnetic induction, Maxwell's equation in free space, and linear isotropic media. Then boundary condition are different. This particular topic is very important. Scalar and vector potential, gauge invariance, electromagnetic waves in free space, dielectric and conductors, reflection and refraction, polarization, Fresnel's law, interference, coherence, diffraction, dynamics of a charged particle, electrostatic and uniform electromagnetic field. So you see, only few things are mentioned in the CSIR NET syllabus, but there are lot more things actually in actual scenario. In the advanced part, you see dispersion relation in plasma, Lorentz invariance of Maxwell's equation, transmission line waveguides, radiation from moving charge and dipoles, and retarded potential. So what is our plan? Okay, before going to plan, let me tell you the marks distribution. You can see in this chart how many marks came from December 2017 to 2020 NET exam. You can see on average 30 marks, but you can expect it more. In the last few years, amount of marks is a little bit less, but you can expect at least 35 to 40 marks from this electromagnetic theory. So what we'll be doing in this course, we'll be conducting this in a very short time interval. The whole syllabus will be covered in a very short time interval. This is basically a crash course, and the course will be conducted through short notes and practice problems. The concept will be given in brief, very brief, mostly in the form of short notes, and questions will be practiced. PYQs, previous year question, as well as new question, non-previous year questions will also be discussed in this course. And this course is going to help you a lot if you did not have prepared for this electromagnetic theory and you want to prepare it in a short time interval. And other than this electromagnetic theory, 3 more courses will come. One course will be revision course on thermal and statistical physics, that is starting from December 27, and the third course is practice course on classical mechanics. It is starting from January 7 and January 21. The fourth course, practice course on nuclear and particle physics. So I will be taking these 4 courses, and other remaining courses will be taken by Om sir. So in this way you can prepare for the whole syllabus before your CSIR NET exam and GATE 2022 exams. So you can grab this opportunity. You can take 1 year subscription and will be getting 1.5 year subscriptions. Okay, and you can utilize our referral code Physics Hub, PHYSICXHUB, without any spacing, to get 10% off on overall fees. So grab this opportunity. Possible fee structures are shown in this image, and upon application of the referral code Physics Hub will give you 10% off. So this is all for this video, guys. All the necessary links will be given in the description. You can check it out, and you can join Unacademy, and you can put your feet one step ahead towards reaching your goal. Finally, thanks for watching. Unacademy is India's largest online teaching learning platform. You can prepare for various competitive exams like CSIR NET, GATE, JEST, IIT JAM, TIFR. Especially if you are preparing for CSIR NET Physical Science, you can join me on Unacademy Plus. I cover all the 9 units of CSIR NET Physical Science syllabus. My approach is especially I precisely give you the concept of the concerned topic. Then I discuss the relevant mathematical formula and do the analysis. Relevant problem based on the topic, including previous year questions, are discussed. Homework and assignments are also given. This is my profile, and if you want to join my Unacademy Plus courses, you can enroll for this course. And if you are new to this Unacademy platform, you can take Unacademy Plus subscription using our referral code Physics Hub, and Unacademy will give you 10% off. So take the Unacademy Plus subscription today and put your feet one step ahead towards reaching your goal.